Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas cookie markers. These delightful tools allow you to imprint festive designs directly onto your cookie dough before baking, making decorating much simpler and more consistent. We'll explore various methods, from crafting your own to purchasing ready-made sets, ensuring your holiday treats are beautifully personalized. Get ready to add a touch of magic to your baking this season. Crafting your own cookie markers is a fun and economical way to add a personal touch. You can easily use materials like sturdy cardboard, cutting it into festive shapes, or even repurpose small, clean cookie cutters as stamps. Remember to ensure any DIY materials are food-safe and easy to clean for repeated use. This method offers endless creative possibilities for unique designs. If you prefer to purchase your markers, many retailers offer fantastic options. Look for sets at craft stores, kitchen supply shops, or online marketplaces. You'll find a wide array of designs, from classic snowflakes to whimsical reindeer. Opt for markers made from durable, food-grade plastic or metal, ensuring they will last for many holiday seasons to come. Consider a set with at least 10 different designs. For perfect results, prepare your cookie dough to a consistent thickness, ideally about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Lightly flour your markers before each press to prevent sticking and ensure a crisp impression. Experiment with the pressure you apply. A firm, even press usually works best. These simple tips will help you create beautifully detailed Christmas cookies that will impress everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.